Good morning students. Good morning. So how are you all? Good. And how is your holidays going? Great. So let's do some study now. Today students we will learn about use of A. You know vowels and consonants? No? So let me tell you. Students, use of A, for this we should know about vowels and consonants. There are 26 letters in alphabets, out of which A, E, I, O, U. I am repeating again. A, E, I, O, U are special letters, and these special letters are called vowels, and other rest are consonants. So let us learn where we use A. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant sound, and it also introduced it with a singular noun. So, I am telling you some examples for this. See, this is flower. You know, F is a consonant word. So, before that word we use A. So, now the sentence is a flower. A flower. Now, next example is balloon. So, B is also a consonant word. So, before that word, we use a balloon. Then next is key. Students, K is also a consonant word. Right. So, before that word, we use A. Yes, a key. Then next is lamp. L is also a consonant word. So, we also use A before that word. So, the word is a lamb. Then spoon. S is also a consonant word. So we use a spoon. Then kite. A kite. Now top. T is also a consonant word. So before that word we use a top. So now you got it where we use a. Then next is ball. B is also a consonant word. Yes students, right or no? Yes. So we use a before that word. So the sentence is a ball. Okay students, now I am showing you some flashcards to understand better where we use A. Now the first one is clown. Okay, students, you see where is consonant word? Yes, clown starts from a consonant one, and that is C. So before that word we use a clown. Then square, a square. Then frog. F is also a consonant word, right or no? Yes. So before that word we use a frog. Then B, a bee. Then clock, a clock. Then dress. D is also a consonant word. So before that word we use a dress. Then ball, a ball. Then triangle. T is also a consonant word. So before that word we use a triangle. Then the last one is flame. F is also a consonant word. So a flame. Okay. So children, let's read Alpha Fun book page number 88. Now you can see the picture lamp. Lamp. L is a consonant word, so we use a before that word. A lamp. Then a key. A key. A nest. A nest. A book. A book. A bird. A bird. A parrot. A parrot. As you can see, there all are pictures which starts from a consonant word. So we use a before that word. Okay children. Okay, children, now let's do some more examples. Are you children excited? Yes. So let's get started. Now the first one is bird. You children see bird. B is a consonant word. So before that word we put a bird. Very good. Next is cake. Cake. Now C is also a consonant word. So before that word we use a cake. Then grass. G is also a consonant word. So before that word we use, yes, you are right, a grass. Very good, students. Now students, the word is tree. T is also a consonant word. So before that word we use T. Very good. Very good, students. Then chocolate. Yes, you all love chocolates? Right. I also love eat chocolates. So C is also a consonant word. So before that word we use a chocolate. Next is dog. Dog. D is also a consonant word. So before that word we use a dog. Very good. Very good, students.
We use a before a word that begins with consonant sounds B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Like a banana, a banana. A cake, a cake. A donut, a donut. A fish, a fish. A goat, a goat. A hammer, a hammer. A jacket, a jacket. A kangaroo, a kangaroo. A lion, a lion. A map, a map. A necklace, a necklace. A peacock, a peacock. A question mark, a question mark. A rabbit, a rabbit. A snake, a snake. A tent, a tent. A violin, a violin. A window, a window. A yarn, a yarn. A zoo, a zoo.